Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So we have added a product in single order, but I don't know if you notice or not. You can see our quantity is not actually changing, right? So when I actually buy something, my quantity should be changed, right? Product quantity. Let's say I bought one product, so it should be like 9, right? It should show here 9, and it should show here 2. Let's say, I mean, how many product actually, right? So we have to mention it. So we how can we actually do this? So here you can see I am in the product single order page. So when somebody actually order, and if it is execute successfully, okay, and we will actually select here. Sorry, we'll actually do one more query here, and we actually want to update product table. Why? Because let me just go to the products table here. We have quantity, right? So we have to update the product quantity. So actually, we'll reduce the quantity stock. Okay. So we'll say here that okay, I want to do query. So I'll say here $SQL underscore update quantity. Let's say or stock. Okay. The stock. Okay. And here I'm going to say that update products set. We need to know the column name. So let me go here, and the column name is stock. So I will say set stock is equal to, let me just press here Alt G. So it will go to the new line, stock minus 1. Okay. Stock minus 1. That's it. And you have to set here that where uh, ed is equal to product ID. So we have product ID here, right? So let me just copy the product ID. That's it. And now we need to execute the query. So I will say here $result underscore stock, right? Stock is equal to mysql I underscore query. I'm going to pass here two parameter, that is con, and one more parameter, that is $SQL underscore update stock. So I'll say that if not result, sorry, $result stock will actually fetch the error. So I'm going to echo the error here. If not, I mean, if we get any problems, so I will say error, and we are going to actually fetch the connection error. So I will say $con, not really connection error. It will be the error actually. So we are going to actually fetch here. And if execute successfully, we don't need to do anything. Okay. Okay. So now let's check if it is working. So I will go here, and now here you can see we have 10 product, right? If I buy now, okay, let me just log in first. So I go here, Milon at gmail.com. Gmail.com. Password is 123. Log in. Okay. Now let's say I want to buy now and buy more. Okay. Now you can. Oops. Now the quantity is 0. Oh, why? Stock is 0. So what is the problem? Okay. The problem is here I have given a single quotation. So I just need to remove it. Okay. Okay. So I have to go, and actually I'm going to add here, let's say uh 10 product. Okay. And now here I'm going to refresh it. Now you can see I have 10 product, right? Now if I buy now, here you can see now it's 9, right? It's working, bro. Okay. So now I will click here, buy now, buy more. So our product was 3, and now you can see 2. So it's also working perfectly, right? So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.